afternoon to all of you children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Let everybody join and then I'll tell what we are supposed to do.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Everybody now take out your SST copies. Oh, sorry, SST books. And children, which chapter is going on in the class right now? Which chapter of SST is going on?
Ma'am of history, it's geography or civics.
Let's take history.
Ma'am, chapter number 2. Ma'am, this
Chapter
the ma'am, the previous class was going on that only.
Okay,
Excuse
so
me,
do one thing, beta. One of you please send me the PDF of that chapter. Since I don't have that book, just send me the PDF.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am
Parikshit.
of
Excuse me,
second
ma'am.
chapter of history. Ma'am, can I say?
I can't understand. What are you saying?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Say.
Ma'am, actually, I was out of station. Actually, my daddy is passed away, so
Okay.
I don't have my book.
That is what I'm asking for a PDF on class group so that all of us who don't have the book can have it. Can at least see from the PDF.
Ma'am, can I send the?
Yes,
Can I send?
anybody can send it. Anybody can send it. Hurry up and send, and then we will start our reading class.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off because my battery is very low?
All right, beta. Do it.
Ma'am.
Yes. Sent it? Okay, perfect. Emergence of new kingdoms. Now, children, see what we'll do is let's make it a little interesting today. Now, who wants to read? Who all want to read? Just tell me. Raise your hands, all of you. Open your camera. Raise your hands. Very nice. Now, what you will read, you will also explain it to the class. Okay? Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Perfect. Good.
Ma'am.
So, who will start? Whom should we begin with? Okay, very nice. Vrinda Khandelwal. Vrinda Khandelwal, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 2, Emergence of New Kingdoms, 700 to 200 CE. 2000 CE. Rise of new kingdoms. In the post Gupta period, administrative officials were also granted land. These officials owned fiscal and military
Fiscal.
obligations,
It's fiscal, beta.
fiscals to the ruler, fiscals and military obligations to the rulers. Land grants grew in numbers in the 7th century and became widespread throughout
Widespread.
throughout the country. Most part of the kingdoms of all the major powers of Western and Central India included the territories under the control of such land officials known as feudatories. However, the feudatory chiefs chiefs
Chiefs.
were chiefs were eager to free themselves whenever there was an opportunity. Some of these feudatories struggled and rose to form new kingdoms during the early medieval period.
Okay,
For
that's all.
example,
That's all. That's all. Now, Nishu Singh. All of you be very attentive. I will stop a student in between and randomly start name any student to start reading. Okay? And also, what is the meaning of feudatories? What is the meaning of feudatories? Okay, all of you look up into the dictionary. All of you take out your dictionaries or you can search on Google and write down the meaning.
Ma'am, which page number?
Beta,
I
page
think at
number is 1. Page number, no, not 1. What is the page number, children?
7.
7.
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, it's 7.
Yes, page number 7. And now,
Page number 7.
Now
the
we
next-
reached on the page number 8.
yes, now we've reached page 8. You need to write the meaning of feudatories.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning?
Yes?
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning of feudatory?
Yes, tell. What is it?
Ma'am, feudatory meaning is a person who holds land under the conditions of the system.
Wonderful. Very nice. Now, next, who will read? Nishu Singh. I told Nishu Singh to read.
Yes, ma'am. For example, the Palas were dominant in eastern India, whereas the Gujra Pratihars dominated western India and the upper Gangetic Valley. The third major kingdom was that one of the Rashtrakutas, who controlled the Deccan and the territories in northern and southern India at different times. A number of Rajput kingdoms also emerged during the period, and among all the Chamanas and Chauhans were the most prominent. In the south, the Cholas surfaced as the most powerful kingdom and became known as the distant administrative structure and arrogant expansion.
Agrarian expansion. Now, what is agrarian expansion? I want to know the meaning of agrarian expansion. What is agrarian? All of you look up in the dictionary or find it on Google. Just write down the meanings of these difficult words, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, meaning of agrarian is connected with farming and the use of land for farming.
Agrarian expansion. It is an adjective here. Which kind of expansion are we talking about? We're talking about agrarian expansion. Now it is related to cultivated land. Next, who is going to read?
Can I read?
Ma'am, I have searched it, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta. No, before reading, yes. What are you saying?
Ma'am, its meaning is, ma'am, agriculture expansion describes. Now it is not showing for agrarian expansion.
No. Expansion. See, we know the meaning of expansion. What is expansion? Something
growth
that has
of-
been expanded. Yes.
Agrarian
The
expansion is
expanded.
the growth of land.
Yes. Expanded form. Now, expansion is from the word expand. Now, what kind of expansion? The agrarian expansion.
Ma'am,
Agrarian stands here,
Ma'am-
the cultivated land.
Ma'am, relating to
in simple
cultivated
language,
land
can
or
we
the
say
cultivation of
agriculture?
land.
Yes, Zehra?
Ma'am, in simple language, can we say agriculture?
Yes, agricultural land.
Ma'am, or
Ma'am,
We can say
related to
agricultural
land.
land. Yes,
Ma'am,
which land? The
cultivated
land that is
or-
cultivated.
Ma'am, cultivated land or cultivation of land.
Yes. Who takes your SST? Who teaches you history, beta?
Ma'am,
Payal ma'am.
Payal ma'am.
Payal
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. All right. Okay. Now, the next, who will? Zehra will read now.
Okay, ma'am, the Tripartite struggle. All the ruling dynasties of the early medieval period had their own areas of influence, but they often tried to control other areas for more wealth. One such lucrative area was Kanji in the
Beta,
Ganges
it's
Valley.
Kannauj.
Ma'am, Kannauj in the Ganges.
In the Ganges Valley.
Ganges Valley, which lead to the Tripartite struggle between the Palas, Gujrat, Prathakis,
Is
and
it not tripartite? What is it called?
Ma'am,
Is it tripartite?
Ma'am, Tripartite struggle.
How do you call this word? What do you call this word?
Ma'am,
How do you
tripartite.
pronounce it?
Tripartite.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Tripartite.
it's tripartite.
Tripartite.
Yes. The
Tripartite
tripartite struggle between
the Palas, Gujara,
Gurjar. It's Gurjar. The Gurjar and Pratiharas.
Gujra Pratiharas, and the Rajputras. It is said that the main cause Rajputs. It is said that the main cause of this struggle was the desire to possess the city of Kannauj, which was then a symbol of sovereignty. What's this? Ma'am, sovereignty. This worship was also for control over the fertile regions of the Gangetic Valley. Another prime reason for this conflict was their desire to have control over the riches beyond their own territories. This was possibly because the rulers needed huge amount of wealth to enhance their military powers. They also tried to demonstrate their powers and resources by building large temples. Let us learn about these three prominent kingdoms.
Okay, very good. Now next, Sara Rai. Sara Rai.
Okay, ma'am. The Gujara Pratiharas. The Gujara Pratiharas, also known as the Pratiharas, used their military skills and power to give out a kingdom in the western India. As rulers, the Pratiharas came into ma'am, this was cut.
Prominence came into prominence in the middle of the 8th century CE when the king Nagbhat I defended Western India. Now it's there.
Yes, ma'am. From the Arab inscription from the Sindh to Rajasthan, he was able to leave his successors a powerful principality comprising Malwa and the parts of Rajputana and Gujarat. The
Rajputana. Beta Rajputana.
Rajputana and Gujarat. The Pratihara density expanded and flourished the most under the rule of Meher Bhoja 836 to 85 CE and his successor Mahendrapala 890 to 910 CE. The territory of the kingdom expanded to Bengal in the east and the Punjab, Awadh, Malwa, and the Gujarat in the west.
Malwa. It's Malwa and Gujarat in the west. Next,
Malwa.
Priyansh Vyas.
The Palas. Another important kingdom of the period was that of Palas. The Pala kingdom was founded by Gopala in 750 CE. It is believed that he was elected as the king by the nobles to end the regional anarchy. It seems that he consolidated his authority over almost the whole of Bengal and parts of Bihar. Gopala was an ardent Buddhist and had built a monastery at Odantapuri in Bihar. His successor Dharampal 700 from 770 to 810 CE expanded the kingdom and was able to control Kannauj for some time. Deva, Devpala, Devpala from
Okay,
800.
Hania Parveen. Hania Parveen, continue reading.
Yes, ma'am. Depala 810 to 850 CE, one of the most powerful Pala rulers, lead raids in the Mount Deccan and southern parts of Indian. What is this?
Beta, have you read from the correct place?
This one?
Have you started reading from the same place where the previous student left? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it once again. What are you reading? Start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta, read. Continue reading.
Ash'abuddin is he founded the famous Mahavihara of Vikram Sila near Bhagalpur. He also patronized
Patronized. He also patronized.
He also patronized Haribhadra, a great Buddhist author, Ramapal 1077 to 1120 CE, the last important ruler, extended control till
It's Pragjyotishpura.
Jyotishpura, Assam, parts of Odisha, and parts of modern Nepal.
All right. Good. Next, Muattasham Hussain.
Yes, ma'am. The Gujarat Paratihas. The Gujarat Paratihas, also known as the, were used their military skills and power
Beta,
to
where are you
train.
reading from? Where are you reading from?
Ma'am, the Gujarat.
No,
The
the paragraph of the Palas has just been completed.
yes, ma'am.
Next, you have to start from Rashtra
Okay, ma'am.
Kuts. Rashtra Kuts.
The Rajput in the Deccan were feudatories of the Kingdom of Karnataka. They were Tanti Durga 735-756 CE overthrew the Chalukyan king Kirtivarman in Deccan and founded the Deccan and founded the Rashtrakuta kingdom. The
Beta, Rashtrakoot. It's Rashtrakoot kingdom.
Rajput kingdom, the Rajput territory reached in zenith under their available ruler among Havarasa 814-878 CE. He set up a new capital at Maniakheta or Malkhed during his ring board become the best sport in the religion. The Rashtara Kuta territorial
Okay,
spread
okay,
from
stop.
in the west.
Now who will read? Kibla Noor. Kibla Noor will read now.
Okay, ma'am.
The Rashtrakoot territory Kibla beta, you don't know? Kibla, you don't know where we are reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, it's your turn to read.
The Rashtrakoot territory spread from Malwa in the west to Kanchi in the southeast. The rulers of this dynasty were great patrons of art and architecture. This is evident by the beautiful temples built by the rulers at Ellora and Elephanta Cave. Krishna 1 756 to 774 CE built the Kailash temple at Ellora. The Turkish invasion. After the fall of the Gurjar Pratihara Empire, there arose small independent powers like the Gahadavlas in Kannauj, the Parmaras in Malwa, the Chalukyas in Gujarat, the Chauhans in Ajmer, the Tomars in Delhi, and the Chandelas in Bundelkhand. Their conflicts with each other helped the Turkish invaders to capture the territories of Punjab and Delhi.
Very nice. Now Nishika Chandra. Is it Nishika Chandra? No, Chandan.
Ma'am,
Chandani,
Nishika
ma'am.
It's
Chandani.
Nisika Chandani.
All right, Nishika, are you there? Okay, Karthik Singh, are you there? Prapti Katyar,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in Kannauj, there are two N or just single N?
Kanauj. It's written with a single N, beta.
Ma'am, actually in the
Kanauj.
Palas, ma'am, on the page number
Hmm.
8, there it is written double N. So I was just
Double N.
confused. Such I was asking.
Okay. What I have studied at my time was single N, Kanauj.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the maximum
Okay,
time in
these
this book
students,
also there are single N.
yes. Now, I think this one, Karthik Singh and Nishika Chandani are not there in the class.
Ma'am, I
Only their
want to
names are
ask
there.
something.
Yes, Zara.
Ma'am, in which year coffee and tea came in India?
In which year offline?
Ma'am, in which year coffee and tea came in India?
Coffee and tea came in which year? I don't know. You know it when?
I don't know, but
No,
I
ma'am.
think but it was invented by China.
Yes, ma'am, by a
I
Chinese
have no
emperor.
idea.
Ma'am, actually,
Accidentally
I
by
have
a Chinese emperor.
Okay, where did you study it? Did you study in any of your subjects in this class?
ma'am, actually, ma'am also
No,
told
ma'am.
us, and I has also seen on the TV. They were showing
Yes,
us,
ma'am.
so we were just saying that.
All right. No, I don't know, Zara. I'll have to find it out.
Ma'am, a tea was made by accidentally by a ruler.
Ma'am,
Okay.
by a Chinese emperor.
All right. Such a successful accident it was, huh? It came out as such a good accident.
And
Ma'am,
ma'am, now
Nutella,
thousands of
Nutella was
people.
also made by an accident only.
What was made by an accident?
Ma'am, Nutella.
Nutella was also accidentally created.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's also wonderful. How do you know all this? Where have you studied all this? This is interesting.
Ma'am, this was given in the copy below the copies.
Ma'am,
Which copy?
actually, I was not this school only. So my previous schoolmates, just my previous teachers told me that this is that, and yeah, fun facts.
All right, very nice. Wonderful facts. These are amazing facts or interesting facts. No?
Ma'am, I used to see on YouTube every time like that.
Okay. Nice.
Ma'am,
Okay, now
YouTube shorts are very helpful for this.
what?
Ma'am, YouTube shorts are also very helpful for this.
YouTube short.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Short video.
Okay. YouTube shorts. All right. Now next. It's a long chapter, huh? How many days do you take to complete one chapter?
Ma'am, in just a week there are 2 periods.
My
Yes,
God.
ma'am.
So to complete one chapter, you need 1 full month, huh? It's a long chapter. How do you do it? Like in 1 week, you've got
Ma'am,
2 classes, right?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
In
ma'am.
1 week, you have 2 classes. That means in a month, how many classes? 8 classes are there. So of course, you
Ma'am,
need
the
at least
answers
8
are
classes to
many
complete.
answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that's a long time.
That's a very long time. And what about the length of the chapters in history and in civics and geography? I think the history chapters are the
Ma'am,
lengthiest.
that's the same.
History chapters
Ma'am,
are the
they both are
lengthiest.
lengthy.
Yes, ma'am. They are.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the lengthiest
Yes,
chapter.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it is so lengthy. And the terms that are used are also very difficult, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's play a game. Let's play a small, interesting game. I'm going to tell you to look for, it's a word hunt. You must have played it before also. Have you played the game word hunt before?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yes.
played.
Ma'am, listen but never played.
Okay. I'll call out a word from this chapter only, and you have to tell me which page, which paragraph, and which line is it written on. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Now you don't
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
ma'am,
speak
that's
anything. You
interesting
don't
game.
have to, yeah, you don't have to speak anything. What you'll do is you will only type in the chat box. Whosoever types it first will be the winner of that particular word. Okay, suppose the word is Muhammad Ghori, right? Muhammad Ghori. Now it is given on page number 10, paragraph 3, first word, like that. Can you see
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. It's
done.
given.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the first word of this chapter is
You have to send on your personal
no,
chat
no, no.
or in everyone's.
No, you can send it on everyone so that everyone gets to know
Okay.
that who was the first one to answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the first word is
Okay.
regional. Regional.
Sorry?
Regional. Regional.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Okay, page number 10, starting of chapter in the box, second line, page number 7. Okay, let me look. Nishu Singh is saying page number 10, but Nishu, you should be very specific. Where on
Ma'am,
page number 10?
by mistake, I just wrote it 10. It's 8.
Paragraph the Pala.
Here also says the word is regional.
Regional, it's regional. So
But
I will,
here seven.
yes, beta, yes. I will consider Sania Alam as the winner because she was the first one to explain it in a descriptive manner. starting of the chapter
Here
in
it
the
is.
box. Yes. Now the second word, just wait children.
Okay, ma'am.
The word is surfaced. Surfaced. Anybody who could find the word surfaced?
Ma'am,
I'm
just finding it out.
finding. Ma'am, word is surfaced or surfaced?
It is surfaced.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I find it out.
Tell, where is it? Oh, very nice. Sania Alam.
Ma'am, page number 8.
Beta Vrinda, you were supposed to type it now in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Now Sania Alam is the winner. Page number 8, first paragraph. Okay, next word is
Okay, ma'am.
the next word is patronized. Patronized.
Ma'am, what's the word?
The word is patronized.
Okay, ma'am.
Patronized. Patronized.
Ma'am, what is the word?
Beta, the word is patronized. Patronized.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of patronized?
Patronized. Okay, children, you're finding it too difficult. Okay. Sanya Alam is very nice. She has answered it. 2 points to Sanya. Page number 8, the Palas paragraph.
Ma'am, I just finded it, then Sanya just give that answer.
Ma'am, I have
That
just
question.
find it.
All right, you just found and then it's gone. Now next. Okay, next might be a little easy. The word is mahoba. Mahoba.
Ma'am, please say word again.
Mahoba. Mahoba is a name. M is written in capital letter. Found it? Page number 10. It's
Yes,
Paridhi
ma'am.
who answered. Very nice. The last word of Muhammad Gori paragraph. All right. Now
Ma'am,
time.
this is the last word.
Yes. Now the last word for the class is.
Ma'am, it's me.
Okay. The last word is philosophical. Philosophical.
Ma'am, I got the word.
So soon. Tell it where it is.
Ma'am, it was in Al Biruni, India Blue Box.
Very nice. So that means Sanya Alam has got eagle's eye. Huh? So sharp. The vision is so sharp. How many times you won, Sanya?
I think 4 times. Only went in my house.
I think thrice. Thrice or twice?
Ma'am,
No.
4 times.
4 times. Very nice. And who is the second one? Nishu Singh.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Paridhi.
Paridhi. Very nice. Wonderful. Okay, children. So let's end the class here. The time is up. Bye to all of you. Yes.
Ma'am, I think the
Bye,
second
ma'am.
one is Qibla Noor because she has sent the answer first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, second one is Qibla.
All right. Congratulations. Okay, children. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Bye, ma'am.
Stay safe.
Same to you. Same to you.